How to earn bribes on Aquarius. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to vote on aqua in order to get the bribes, but you won't be getting bribes for voting for every pair out there. There are some selected pairs that you have to use in order to get the bribes. So for this, just log into your aqua network website, then go to the voting section, and on the voting section let it load, and after that just click on the option of with bribes, and this way you would be seeing all the pairs which are giving bribes at this particular point of time. So you can just simply check the amount of bribe that a particular pair is giving out. So this particular pair is giving 0.1648 aqua per day for 1000 of aqua or ice votes that you are going to make for them. And when we check for some other one, it is going to give us 0.1862 aqua per day, so better than the previous one. And this way you would be able to check for different pairs the pair which is giving out the most rewards for you or the bribes for you. Just select that particular pair, and after that you can just simply click on this option of add to vote, and after that you will be able to see this option at the bottom. Just select it, then select whether you want to vote using aqua or ice. Just select it and then choose the amount that you want to use in order to vote for that particular pair, and after that just click on confirm. This way you would be able to vote for that particular pair and you would be getting bribes for that particular pair. But there's a catch, and make sure that you do it before starting to earn bribes. I will check the rewards that are being given in this particular case. Suppose let me check a pair which is giving rewards in a different pair. So this one is the pair. When we see that the rewards are being given in STEX asset also, so we need to establish trust line with this particular asset. Just go on to the Lobster or any other app that you are associated with and establish the trust line with STEX. Otherwise you will miss out on the rewards that are being given in STEX. But if you have already established the trust line with aqua, then you will get the rewards in aqua. But since this particular pair is giving out rewards in two different assets, we need to make sure that we have the trust line with both these pairs. So this is how you earn the bribe rewards on Aquarius. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.